Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. It's actually another mystery unboxing. The company on the return address, it just has X's on there, and but the address looks familiar to me, so I think I got something from whoever this is before. So I don't know. I had no idea what this is. So let's cut the box here and see what we have in here. So I need to cut down the other side a little bit. Quite the mystery here. It's kind of funny, actually. I don't know. Maybe I'm buying too much stuff for the channel here. I don't really know. But let's see what's in here. Ah, okay. Yeah, so these guys just tell me they're sending a watch over. I wonder if they use the same warehouse as wherever this... I gotta look through my other boxes and see... look through my other boxes and see what else was on this return address. But anyway, let's get this open. This is Wishdoit. I think that's how you pronounce it. And communicating with these folks through email for a little while here. So let's check this out. This watch case is something different than I've ever had in my hands before. Looks kind of like a Richard Mille type style watch. I think that's who kind of started this case shape, Torno case shape, cushion case, whatever you want to call it. That's not really a cushion case. So yeah, let's get it open. I believe this one is black and gold also. Let's zoom in. Nice little leather travel type case here. And this engraved with the company name there. Hopefully you can see that. Wishdoit. I have a microfiber cloth in here. Sorry about that. We won't edit that out. Hopefully it didn't make you nauseous with jamming the camera there. Yeah, this thing's quite large. Looks cool though. The strap feels really nice and comfortable. Feels like a nice quality FKM rubber strap, maybe even more pliable than that. It could be due to the slits here on here, but yeah, it feels really nice actually. So you have some plastic on the back as well. This thing looks cool. You can see all the way through the case as well. You can see my finger on the other side there, I think, moving around. Yeah, this thing's cool looking. Let me know what you guys think of it. I think I will mark this as a paid promotion. I think I get to keep it. I don't really know, but I'll just mark it as a paid promotion. Actually, I think I'll wear this a little bit today. I was going to wear this guy here, but I think I'll throw this one on wrist and check it out. Okay, so the balance is spinning there, right there. Okay, yep, so you can see the gears down there. This is hand winding. I'm not sure what movement is in here. but I will look into it and report out in the full video. What does that say right there? Oh, it just says automatic movement. Fashion watch. Sorry, trying to read it through the screen here. I don't really see it all that well. Maybe a serial number there, 88808G. Water resistant to some undetermined amount. And there again, Wishdoit. So we do have indices on here for telling the time. Pull the crown all the way out. There we go. So it's about, what is it, 4:20? Oh, I thought I had scratched it, but it's just some dust on there. Anyway, let's move to 4:20. $4:20 right there. Okay, let me get this on wrist. Oh, that's a cool crown too. Look at that. I've never had a watch in hand that looks anything like this, so it's definitely unique. Oh, very neat. Okay, let's zoom out here and get it on my wrist. Actually, you know what? Let's look at the dial real quick again. A lot to look at here, a lot to take in. Yes, that's the balance wheel down there at 6 o'clock. You can see right through the case here. Very cool. And here again for size reference, 39mm watch there, and then we'll bring over my SKX. All right, let's get it on wrist. We'll zoom out here to catch a bunch of stuff in the background. Probably saw some of this stuff in the background when I jarred the camera there a few minutes ago. Okay, so I have a 6.5-inch wrist, and I am on the tightest hole position there. So if you have a wrist any smaller than mine, the strap likely is not going to work for you. Would be nice if the buckle and tang was black to match the case, or gold, contrasting color. Looks really, I would say it looks large on my wrist. I mean, it's definitely pretty thick, but you know, that's the style. So let me know what you guys think of this watch. Greatly appreciate reading your comments. If you're not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Again, I appreciate that as well. And as always, thank you for your time, and thank you for watching.